Good morning and welcome to Lanza Perugini Channel News. It's Giulia. Genoa was flooded yesterday because of intense rain that provoked some torrents to overflow. The last flood was 3 years ago. In fact, we know that floods happen very often there and what kind of risks they represent. In fact, we know that Italy is largely affected by flood episodes. This map shows the location of 1,836 sites affected by flood events, with direct consequences to the population of Italy in the period from 590 to 2008. But what's a flood? We have our scientist Miss Francesca Zingrillo that will explain what a flood is specifically.
Thanks Giulia for this amazing introduction. Today we will talk about water and its phenomena. One of the worst phenomena caused by water is flood. The word flood is used to indicate accumulation of fluvial material that causes an overflow. A flood carries huge quantities of rubble pushed forward by the strength of water. Usually a flood is followed by landslides in mountainous places causing more and more damages. Because of that, floodplains are formed, like the floodplain in the northwest of Rhodopopi Mountains. Floods are cyclic phenomena that don't happen regularly, but continuously, with quite long intervals.
Thanks Francesca for this scientific focus. Now we want to show you the situation of Genoa in 2014, when there was one of the worst floods ever. As we can see, a tragedy happened, but sometimes a flood can help to create a beautiful city like Venezia. Let's talk about it in our North Channel with our great correspondent Francesca.
Welcome to the Art Channel. Today we will talk about a phenomenon that is usually a problem and is dangerous, but in this case it isn't. We are talking about the acqua alta phenomenon, that means high water. This is a term used in Veneto, a region of Italy, for the exceptional tide peaks that occur periodically in the northern Adriatic Sea. The peaks reach their maximum in the Venetian lagoon, where they cause a partial flooding of Venice and also in Chioggia. This phenomenon, generally speaking, is caused by three factors. The first one is an astronomical component, which results from the movement and the alignment of the Moon, the Sun and the other planets. The second cause is geophysical, because of the geometric shape of the basin and because of the laws of the physical mechanics. The last one is a meteorological cause, linked to some things like the wind, rain and atmospheric pressure. Venice was represented by important artists like Monet. One of the important things of this canvas is the main feature of Venice, water. In fact, Monet represented Palazzo Ducale with a beautiful landscape made by the torrent where Palazzo Ducale is. For today, that's all. Bye from Francesca and thanks for all.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never had before.
We have an important news from Foggia. Martina will talk about that.
Thanks, Julia. This is the 954th year by the discovery of the canvas of Virgin Mary in a torrent. In fact, some farmers, after having watched the little flames standing on the water, found a canvas of the Virgin Mary totally covered by mud. After having removed all the mud, they decided to put on it 7 veils. In fact, in Foggia she is called the Virgin with Seven Veils. This is the cathedral where she is protected and where people can watch her canvas.
Thanks Martina. For today that's all. Thanks for watching from Giulia.